This is a demonstration of Easy Format's Age Date field feature. Age dates are useful for subtotaling, analysis and ranking, and summarizing data for charting. As seen here, there are 5 major age date formats from which to choose. Formats include aging by number of days, number of weeks, number of months, and 2 accounting aging formats for current 30/60 over 90 and current 30/60/90 over 120. Accounting aging formats can be created with or without days appended to the calculated value. Number of day, week, and month formats support 3 rounding methods, control over the number of decimal places displayed, an optional user-specified suffix for appending days, weeks, and months to the calculated value, and an optional maximum number of periods to display with an automatic overflow value. All agings can be calculated using today or a specific aging date. The aging field description can be automatic or user-specified. All aging formats can be calculated from the aging date or to the aging date. From the aging date accommodates accounts receivable type agings where dates are predominantly before the aging date. To the aging date accommodates accounts payable type agings where dates are predominantly after the aging date. To create an age date field takes only seconds. Access this feature from the f of x formula field menu on the Easy Format ribbon, or from the f of x menu on the Easy Format toolbar in Excel 2000, XP, and 2003. The f of x menu is only active in Easy Format formatted worksheets. Clicking Add Age Date field on either f of x menu opens the Aging Period dialog. To create the default current 30/60 over 90-day format takes as few as 1 click. If there are multiple date fields, if necessary, select a date from the Date column for Aging Calculation drop-down. Other defaults include automatically creating the aging field description that is previewed in the dialog, aging from today, and aging by month using the current 30/60 over 90-day format, appending days to the calculation results. For the 4 accounting aging formats, rounding, max periods, and decimals are not applicable, and blank fill is set to 2 to correctly sort the results. The default is to age from the aging date, which is typical of accounts receivable agings where the dates being aged are predominantly before the aging date. If the defaults are acceptable, the age date field can be created in 1 click of the OK button. Easy Format immediately creates the age date field to the right of the selected date field. Sorting the aging field in descending order shows the calculated aging values are correctly formatted for sorting. Sorting the age date field in ascending order does not change the display of the already correctly sorted calculated aging values. As a second example, let's age by weeks. Let's automatically create the new field description previewed below. Rather than aging from today, let's uncheck this option and select the current date. When aging from today, the aging results change as the value of today changes over time. When today changes to a future date, the aging results also change. When setting the aging date to exactly today's date, the aging result will not change over time. Let's change the aging period interval to weeks. The preview of the new formula field description is automatically updated to include weeks. Let's change the rounding method to round, or round at the midpoint, rather than rounding down or rounding up. Let's change the max periods to 13, which equates to 13 weeks with an automatic overflow of 13 plus weeks. Let's change decimals from 0 to 1 to display fractional weeks, and increase blank fill from 2 to 3 for sorting purposes. Let's continue to age from the aging date, and append week to the calculated aging value. Let's finish by clicking OK. Easy Format immediately creates the requested aging field to the right of the selected date field. It is just as easy to create an age date formula field in subtotal data. Simply perform the identical steps used to create age dates in non-subtotal data. As seen in these 2 examples, Easy Format's age date feature creates agings to satisfy a wide variety of uses. To subsequently change the field description, either double-click the field description or use the Modify Formula Field Description option on the f of x menu. Modified field descriptions should be unique. Use Easy Format Cell Style feature to change the formatting of the new field. In Easy Format formatted worksheets, never use Excel's Format Cells features. Always use Easy Format Cell Style feature to modify the automatically created and applied Excel style for each field. Use Easy Format's Field Order feature to change the position of the field. In Easy Format formatted worksheets, never use Excel's Cut and Insert Cut Cells features to reorder columns. To delete Easy Format created formula fields, always use the Delete Formula Field option on the F of X menu on either the Easy Format ribbon or the Easy Format toolbar. Easy Format's 5 custom formula fields are not intended to be modified once created. Rather than attempting to modify a custom formula field, delete the field and then add a new field using Easy Format. In Easy Format formatted worksheets, never use Excel's features to create or delete fields. Formula fields included in the original data should never be deleted from an Easy Format formatted worksheet. If formula fields in the original data are not currently of interest, either delete them prior to formatting or hide them before or after formatting. This concludes this demonstration of Easy Format's Age Date Field feature. Please visit www.datapresentation.com to download the free 15-day trial of Easy Format. Thank you for your time.